So on our way to Rainbow Mountain, it is a spectacular view. The ride there is a little bit rough. Just make sure to bring some water, some snacks or whatnot. The day before I went on the hike, my feet were hurting. I was like, oh, that wasn't a good idea. Now I need to hike all the way up to Rainbow Mountain. But no, when I got there, they have the option to go up with horses or on motorcycles. And I was really happy to see motorcycles. So beautiful. Oh, I'm just having such a good time right now. One tear me apart. I don't care. We gotta walk all the way down and back all the way down there. There's like a checkpoint. That's where the pickup is. All right. Thankfully, I have the right shoes to do this because I see some people. They have those like flat trainers, and those are no bueno for this. You slip. I see them slipping left and right. So if you're gonna come to the Rainbow Mountain or do any types of hikes, make sure you get yourself a good pair of shoes. I'm going a little faster downhill. I find it easier when you're going downhill. Checking my heartbeat. My heartbeat is actually really well. It's really good. It's as if I was like hiking in Canada. Boom, 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 boom. We're good. I got used to the altitude pretty well. I'm very surprised. I think it's because I came here by bus from Lima, right? So gradually I was going up and my body was getting used to it. I had zero headaches. I did get out of breath and felt a little lightheaded. Quick fix, oxygen, and then I was fine. And just take breaks and I'm good. The first time I came to Cusco though, I took the plane from Lima.
I mean, you can do it, but to me, that was a bad idea. Bad idea. Because when I got there, and the plane is pressurized, right? When you get off the plane, it's like, what the f? So, I was lightheaded. I had headaches. And I wasn't having a good time. So I'm really happy, even though it's a rough time, taking these buses for hours and these bumpy vans. I think it was worth it because I don't have a headache and I've been feeling great the whole time. So it worked out for me. Oh. I'm so surprised. I jogged almost all the way down. Hola. ¿Se puede ir para abajo?
¿Un caballo?
Sí. ¿No?
Sí.
¿Muy pesado?
Sí.
Muy pesado.
Sí.
Yo agarro el caballo y me voy. Está bien, más ejercicio para mí. Soy muy pesado. I'm too heavy, he says. Oh, I'm doing so good. As I suspected, the guy looked at me up and down and he's like, I'm like, I'm too heavy, right? He's like, yeah. I'm really surprised by my fitness. I'm like, we are 4,000 or 4,500 feet above sea level, and I am...
My apologies for the false information. It's more than 5,000 meters above sea level.
Everybody's looking at me like, what the f is this fat boy doing? How is he doing this? Let's get it. Amazing. Here's the dangerous part, is when you stop running. Nice and chill. Oh, bro, I ran / jogged for pretty much the whole time. Oh, I got this. One day, they'll look at me and be like, yeah, you can get on the horse. Then I'll be like, nah, I'm gonna run up this bitch. We made it. Look at how much people there is now. When I got here, we were the only 2 vans. And now there's like 50 of them. So up there is jam-packed with people. So I'm pretty happy I got up at 2 in the morning to come and do this.
I had such a wonderful time. If you love beautiful scenery, I strongly suggest you visiting. Just to give you a bit of information, Rainbow Mountain was way back in ancient time was covered by the ocean, and that's how it got its colors, because those are all minerals left behind by the water. It just blows my mind to think that the earth was once covered in water. We're talking about over 5,000 meters above sea level. Like, just think about that. That's insane.